Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to become friend to someone without sending them friend request. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video to follow each step carefully and avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. To get started, open up the Facebook app. Tap on the menu button on the top at the right corner of the screen. Here you can see find friends, click on that, and here are the different friend suggestions on your Facebook. Now what you have to do is click one of them to see what to do next. Let's tap on one of them. Here you can see three options: add friend, messages and three dots. What you have to do, the first step is click on three dots and here you can see the follow option. You can just follow him without sending the friend request. But this is not necessary that every people give you the follow option. Let me show you. Let's open another one. Click on three dots again and you can see this person is not given you any option to follow them. That means you can't follow this person. To follow that person you can do one thing, go to message and send the message. After the person receive your message, he will may send you a request instead of you send them a request. So this is how you can add friends without sending them friend request.